Hey guys, I'm Cami Price. I'm the head trainer and nutritionist here at Ideal Shape, and I'm also a certified yoga instructor. Today I'm going to walk you through a gentle flow, perfect for any low back pain. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. All right, you guys, let's get started. So come to a seated place, bring your hands to heart center. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Release the arms. Inhale, reach your arms high. And as you exhale, drop your right hand down, reach your left arm overhead. Keeping a steady breath in and out through the nose. Inhale, come up to center. And as you exhale, drop the left hand down and reach the right arm overhead. Inhale to center. And as you exhale, fold forward, walking the hands away from the body. Relax the back of the neck. Slowly warming up through the low back. And then round up one vertebrae at a time. Inhale, reach the arms up high. And exhale, bring the hands to heart center. Switch the legs so that the opposite leg is in front. And then inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, drop the right hand down again. This time you might take it a little bit deeper, keeping the spine nice and long. Maybe you drop that elbow down to the mat. Inhale, come up to center. And then as you exhale, drop the left hand down. Again, reaching that right arm far across the body. Maybe the elbow comes down, taking it a little bit deeper. Slowly warming up the back. Inhale to center. And then exhale, folding forward again. Relaxing the back of the neck. Feeling the stretch in the low back and into the hips. And then round up one vertebrae at a time. Roll the shoulders back. Inhale, the chest lifts. Exhale, round the back, tuck the chin. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round the back. And then come to a neutral spine. Keep the spine nice and straight. Bring the right hand to the outside of the left knee and then gently twist back. The whole time keeping the back straight. Gaze beyond the left shoulder. As we go throughout this practice, we'll do a lot of these little twisting motions to alleviate any tightness in the low back. Exhale, release. And then taking it to the other side. So left hand comes to the outside of the right knee. Gentle twist. Back is straight. Gaze past the right shoulder. And come back to center. Interlace the fingers, press the palms away from the body, round the back. Then inhale, come to center, bring the hands behind the back again, interlace the fingers, and then pull the knuckles away from the body, lift the chest, look up. Again, warming through the shoulders and into the back. And then exhale, come to a neutral spine. From here, moving on to all fours, hands underneath the shoulders, knees under the hips. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round the back, tuck the chin. One more like this, roll the shoulders back, lift the chest, look up. And then exhale, round the back, tuck the tailbone. And then come to a neutral spine. From here, really press palms into the ground, tuck the toes, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Feet are about hip width distance apart, and you might slowly pedal the heels, warming up the hamstrings. A lot of times low back pain comes from tight hamstrings. So warming those hamstrings up, feet are hip width distance apart. You might even keep a soft bend in the knees the whole time. Trying to draw a straight line from the fingertips all the way up to the tailbone. And then the heels might start to come a little bit closer to the ground. Pull the ribs together. Deep inhale. As you exhale, walk the hands back towards the feet. Soft bend in the right knee. Keep the right hand on the ground. And as you inhale, lift the left arm high. Gaze to that top hand. Again, keeping the spine straight. You might also hold on to the shin or even use the yoga block underneath your right hand for more support. Exhale, release, taking it on the other side. Soft bend in the left knee. Inhale, reach the right arm high, gaze to that top hand. Exhale, release. Walk the hands back out, downward facing dog. Hold here, deep inhale. Exhale. Gentle twist, bring the right hand toward the outside of the left leg. So you might be on the thigh, or maybe that hand reaches a little bit closer to the ankle. If it feels okay, gaze out underneath the left hand. Another twist here. Inhale. Exhale to release. Other side, left hand to the outside of the right leg. Again, find your place. Maybe you're holding onto your thigh or further down toward the ankle. Gentle twist. And release. From here, drop the knees down to the ground. One more time, cat-cow, roll the shoulders back, inhale the chest up. And then exhale, round the back, tuck the chin. Press hands into the ground, lift up into a high plank position, engage the stomach a lot, and then slowly lower all the way down onto the belly. From here, Sphinx pose, plant the hands and the forearms parallel to each other. Press the palms into the ground, roll the shoulders back, and start to lift the chest up. Gentle back bend here. Press the chest forward as you keep pulling those shoulders back. And then release down. Bring the left arm out to a T. Plant the right hand underneath the shoulder and reach the right leg across toward that left hand. Little twist. Keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale to release. Taking it on the other side, left hand plants underneath the shoulder, right arm out like a T. As you inhale, bring that left leg across toward the right hand. Little twist. Inhale. Exhale to release. Plant the hands under the shoulders and slowly lift up to your version of cobra. You might come a couple of inches up, you might roll the shoulders back and feel yourself moving a little bit deeper into the back bend. Find your place, whatever feels best to you. Keeping your thighs on the ground, you might even lift your gaze up if that feels okay. And then send the hips back, child's pose. Breathe here. Keep pressing the hips back to release any tension in the hips. Inhale. And then exhale, rise up, come to all fours. Keeping the hips stacked on top of the knees. Thread the right arm underneath the left and bring that right shoulder down toward the ground. Another deep twist here. Gaze toward the ceiling if that feels okay. Keeping the hips high. Belly button pulled in. Exhale to release. Other side. Left hand threads underneath the right. Bring that left shoulder down toward the ground. Keep the hips high. Deep breaths. In and out through the nose. And release. Plant the toes, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. And then walk the feet all the way through. Coming to a seated place, legs straight out in front. Inhale, reach the arms high. And as you exhale, fold forward. Keep the spine long here. That might mean you're a couple inches deep into the fold, or maybe fold a little bit deeper. inhale, rise all the way up. And as you exhale, lie down onto the back. You might need to adjust yourself a little bit. Inhale, pull the right knee in toward the chest. Interlace the fingers, press firmly into the shin, releasing the hip. Again, to release that low back. Everything's connected, so anytime tightness in the low back, like I said before, it can stem from tight hamstrings, tight hips. Deep inhale. And then as you exhale, use your left hand to press on the outside of your right knee and pull that right knee across the body. Bring your right arm out to a T to stabilize. And if it feels okay, you might even shift your gaze toward that right hand. Come back to center. Pull that knee in tight. And then exhale, release, taking it on the other side. Pull the left knee into the chest, interlace the fingers. Again, pressing firmly into the shin, letting that left hip relax. Deep inhale. And as you exhale, right hand to the outside of the left knee. Pull the knee across the body. Left arm comes to a T. Maybe shift the gaze. Come back to center. Again, pulling that knee in toward the chest. And release. Bring both knees in toward the chest. Little rocks up and back. And then making your way to a seated place. Inhale, reach the arms up high. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thanks for doing that little practice with me today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. Namaste.